Hi, I'm Josh, and this is Cars and Joshy. Let's take a look. What do I have here? It's a fuel tank, obviously. It's just disassembled. Let's go ahead and put it together. I'm using gas line, thread sealant tape, since I'm gonna have fuel in here. Alright. Started. So, fuel's gonna go in here. It's gonna hang like this. Airline is gonna go here. Airline's gonna have a pressure regulator on it, regulated to 58 psi. The rest of this stuff is gonna go on this end. Fuel line is gonna go onto this, 60 psi to the fuel rail. And that's how I'm gonna start this. My only outstanding question to myself, I guess, is when do I want to put fuel in this? I can probably fill it up from right here. Oh, I've had this gas in here for years, but you know what? It still runs my pressure washer, so fuck it. Let's see what happens. Now if I can just keep my 4-year-old from coming out here and playing with it. Look, a water hose! To light some people up to get on my yard. Hook up the air compressor. Get off my lawn! Here is the makeshift fuel tank I made. Just got it hanging from the hoist I used to take the body off the frame. But using the gravity method here, I'm gonna take that little pancake air compressor and hook up that line to this piece, and then open that ball valve. It should send pressure down here into the fuel rail, and this is a returnless style, so I'll just bleed the pressure off when I'm done testing it. But there we go. That's what the setup looks like. I'm gonna start wiring up the Holley Terminator kit now.